Welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we'll be discussing how to disassemble a angle stop, or what is called in Jamaica angle valve. And in step 1, this is how it's performed. So firstly, we remove the screw from the handle using a Phillips head screwdriver. So after we have completed the first step, which is to remove the handle using a Phillips head screwdriver, we move on to the next step, which is to use a Crescent wrench, or what's called in Jamaica an adjustable wrench. Step 3, after removing the backing nut, we then realize that the washer was missing. We go ahead and replace the washer. And now we are on to step 4, reassemble. We tighten the packing nut inside the valve until it's tight, and then reattach the handle. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this.